Hey everybody, so this week has been a super long week for me and my hair. It's been in this puff for a few days, so it's dry, it's tangled, it's just kind of like no shine. So we're going to fix this with this new Revlon Realistic natural hair care line. So I'll let you guys know how it is, but I'll let you see for yourself also. So very quickly, I ran my hair underwater. It's still not detangled. Literally all I did was wet it so I can get ready for shampooing with the Revlon Realistic Strengthening Shampoo. This is the consistency of it. As I'm lathering it onto my hair, I notice how good it feels on my scalp. It's a very light foam, and I notice it does not make my hair feel stripped or dry at all due to the fact that it does not have sulfates. Also, pay attention to the way that I am shampooing my hair. I'm focusing just on the scalp. As I rinse the shampoo out, it'll naturally run down the strands of my hair, cleaning it. I've rinsed the shampoo out of my hair. My hair is clean, it's free of products. Now I'm going to condition my hair with their strengthening conditioner. But before I do, I'm going to section it into 4 parts. That way I can more easily deal with my hair. The consistency of the conditioner is just like a lotion. I could use Lubriderm to explain that feel exactly if you know what that is. So I'm just applying it to my hair. You're going to apply as much as you need. You can never use too much conditioner. So apply as much as you need to get it over every strand. And notice now I'm taking my hands and my fingers to help get rid of any major knots. So this is my finger detangling step to make the actual detangling step with the tool more easy. So once I've got most of the knots, I begin detangling with my Denman brush, starting from the ends of your hair, working your way up towards the roots as the ends become more detangled. Now with this conditioner, it did give me a lot of slip, so that's always a plus. Whenever you're looking for a conditioner, it has to have a lot of slip, and that's how you know it's a good one. So after I finish this section, I move on to the next section. Once I've detangled each section, I can go ahead and let this sit and deep condition my hair. Okay, as you know, sitting with heat will increase the effects of the deep conditioner. So I'm going to sit under a hooded dryer for 10 minutes. If you have a shower cap, wear that. Once I'm back, I'll be ready to style. Before I begin styling, I've already moisturized my hair with the leave-ins. I'm just sectioning it. I'm going to use Revlon Realistic Strengthening Curling Custard to set my rods. The consistency of it is a little thinner than the conditioner. Very creamy. I'm going to apply it to the small section to show you the effects of it on my curls. So as you can see, my curls are clumped and defined. You could definitely use this as a wash and go product, but I'm going to use it to rod my hair. So apply it to a section, brush it through. When applying the rod, hold it with it facing up. I don't know how to better explain that. And then begin wrapping it around with your wrist, sort of doing like a little twist action. I don't know how to explain this verbally, but hopefully the visual gives you a good understanding. As always, you guys know I like to show you a few more times. So you're just wrapping it around the rod, but making sure that the hair isn't laying flat like a spiral curl. You want it to be a clumped curl. So there's definitely a difference. Also, to make sure it's the tightest, make sure you pull the strap across the root of your hair. So if you have to twist the rod to have that happen, do so. And here we are, another 1, 2, and 3 more times just to make sure you've got it down. Do this all over. I did about 6 in each section, so a total of 24 rods, I believe. Again, make sure that the hair is not laying flat on the rod, but that it's bunched up so it will be a clumped curl when you release it. Rod sets usually take longer to dry, so I like to pat my hair dry before sitting under a hooded dryer for an hour and 15 minutes. Finally, for takedown, you're just going to pop the clip off and wind the rod, not touching the hair. I mean, you want to hold it at the root and wind the rod, but you don't need to touch the hair to take it off of the rod. Obviously, these curls came out super defined, but just to show you up close, the shine, there's no film of product on it. The product is really light, leaves the hair bouncy. To take the hair down, you're going to slightly untwist it or unravel it so that you can find a natural part at the root of the hair. And then as you separate it, you're going to twirl the end around your finger to re-encourage the curl. Let's slow it down one more time, unravel it a little bit, find that natural separation and twirl it around your finger as you separate. Continue to do this all over your head. Don't separate too much. The more you separate, the more chance of frizz, so you don't want to over separate. For each clumped curl, I separated into about 3 separate pieces. I'm all done separating. Now I'm going to fluff my hair to get rid of the parts. And once I'm done with this, I'm pretty much done with the whole hairstyle. I'm just going to do my edges and we'll call it a finished product. For my edges, I'm using Revlon Realistic Strengthening Edge Control. Y'all know I usually stick to my gel, so we're going to try this out. I'm just taking a little chunk and I'm applying it to my edges on the side. Automatically, it does lay my hair down. It kind of pastes it to my head, which is really good. But one thing I will say about this edge control is I expected it to keep my hair as pasted as it was when I first applied it, but like how other edge controls work on my hair, after a while it did start to lift up. So that's why I am a gel girl. I think it depends on your hair. This is usually my hair's response to edge controls anyway. But still, overall, lovely results, bouncy curls. Definitely would recommend this brand. They also have other styling products, so I'll have more videos to come showing you guys how those work. Also, go get yours. It comes out in February. And give this video a thumbs up if this was super helpful and informational for you. Other than that, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.